Oh, we're shooting at it.
No, I'm in!
The road sitting north.
We're good. I hope the camera's on.
Oops.
Go for them.
I'm not going for no one.
This game was sponsored by League of Legends.
Just have a big screen in the middle of the field of League of Legends playing.
That's exactly what I'm about to play something, dude.
I say we get up on top of this mountain, go that way, and flank Josh and Waylon. But I mean,
I'm gonna grind, dude.
if you don't feel like it, I'm gonna sit here. Heck, I don't care. There we go. You playing piano? Dude, I ain't seen that game forever. No.
I found a love for me.
You should have brought your Corona. Just played that.
Gave it in my back pocket and played it.
Walk around playing it. Oh, we're shooting at it.
No, I'm in! Hey! I'm playing a piano game!
They ain't hit me yet, but they got close.
Let a man enjoy his piano game, dude.
Well,
They're Lana's pushing us on the left side.
It's just one of those days when you don't know where to start.
Yeah, the nookie.
You wanna fuck me like an animal?
Yes, epic.
Pick and roll.
Pick and roll, pick and roll, pick and roll.
So y'all are out of ammo, and we're gonna go kill them.
I'm not at ammo, but no.
The one time me and John was on the team.
Bang, man. Bang me.
Bang, bang.
Okay.
The one time me and John was
Hang
on
on,
the
wait.
team, dude. I went to hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one time.
I was over blessing piano ties with me, dude.
moving
Hell, they're still back there. Unless they're army crawling through a rocky.
They might went below. What sucks is they have the riot shield. Yeah. What happened?
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. I was looking at it. So.
Yeah, I know.
For real now.
Yeah, I know. Hey, make them think you guys are still alive.
Can I join in y'all's team?
Make them think you are.
Do a little line, okay?
They're like, what? No way! Ain't no way! Protect me! We're getting enemy territory. Don't think about it.
I see him.
I think too.
Yep.
The big old head. I don't have to advance now. We're getting a little closer. They're really just like camping a big tent.
Push up. I see shield, Josh. I see the shield. Josh, we might just have to rush. I see him. One's on left side. Ron's on left side. Go right side. Go right side. I'm almost out. Huh.
I'm in a bush, bro.
I'm out.
Huh?
I'm out.
Really?
Nope, I got an extra mag though.
Shield's coming, shield's coming. One shield.
And I've seen it.
Oh.
I'm almost out of ammo, Josh.
Huh?
Tell my family I love them.
I'm on my last.
Cover me, Josh!
It's over here. It's in the middle of the
Oh, hit. My nipple.
Really? Yeah.
Man, you was ready to get the one stop.
Well, yeah, let's try to get that. Oh, yes, sir.